stops, unconditional. It can't be topped, no matter the time, day, or season. His love is even for those who don't believe in him. You won't find it in a magazine, on a TV screen, like in a soap opera love scene. You'll only find it in the one who reigns on high. You'll only find it in Jesus Christ.
No greater love.
I know there is no greater love. There is nothing greater than the love that he is giving. There is not a greater love I know. It's a four-letter word found in the dictionary. Not hard to find, but hard to express. You see, for many have perpetrated, even fabricated a storybook line called love. But we can't even understand or imagine the love he has for us. Check it out. It's the L-O-V-E found in the J-E-S-U-S-U-C that keeps his world together. It's the L-O-V-E found in the J-E-S-U-S-U-C that will last forever and ever. I know there is no greater love. There is nothing greater than the love that he is giving. There is not a greater love I know. You know it. Now here we go. Now it took some time for me to realize that Jesus Christ was on my side, but when I did, he showed me the light. I found his love to be out of sight. From over 2,000 years ago, he made a show of his love for you and me. When he let them nail him to a cross at a place called Calvary. More than a mother or a brother, his love outshines any other. Don't you know he cares for you more than you care for yourself? It's true. His love is one of a kind. His love will blow your mind. The Messiah is the one I'm rapping about. Our blessed Savior, there is no doubt. The creator, innovator of all mankind, who's been proving his love for us time after time. Don't deny it until you try it. His love, I'm sure you're going to like it. Or just open up your heart and ask him in. Believe in his name, he'll free you from your sin. Then you too will know what I'm talking about. His love is so good, it makes you want to shout. I know there is no greater love. There is nothing greater than the love that he is giving. There is not a greater love I know. Better than the best. There ain't a single reason why you should be settling for less. There ain't nothing cause he's greater than the rest. He passed the test. Now I can rest. I'm blessed. Kick it like this. It's the L-O-V-E found in the J-E-S-U-S-U-C that will last forever.